Hi there! Email tracking is an application that enables you to track emails and applied links in Zendesk support. To get started, open the application from the Zendesk panel, click Activate Email Tracking Features, and then Allow to give access to your account. Be sure that Growth guarantees the safety of your data according to international security protocols such as GDPR, CCPA, PPI, and others. After you are authorized, go to Settings to enable triggers. Triggers are the basis of the app functionality. Without them, the tracking wouldn't be possible. So, put the checkmark next to the needed triggers. Notify requester and CCs of received request, and notify requester and CCs of comment update are necessary for tracking email opens. But be careful, these are only the standard Zendesk triggers, and that's why they can differ from your triggers. Now, you may want to see the app in action. To do so, let's send an email, type in your email text, add links to it, and click on the app icon to select what links should be tracked. Please don't test the app by sending emails to yourself or colleagues. Such emails will not be tracked as they have the same IP address. After sending, let's discuss these fields on the left. The first one shows the status of the email. It could be seen or unseen. The second one informs you how many times the email was opened. Also, the app adds an unseen seen tag here, depending on the open status. And here it is. We've got an internal note that says the email has been recently read. Here we can also see the exact time it was sent and opened. The note also contains the beginning of the email body text. Besides, the unseen tag and fields were updated according to the open status. We also got the next internal notifications that show information for the applied links, similar to emails. Moreover, all the tracking information, like the best time to send a reply, opened emails, and link info, can be found in the widget located in the app's sidebar. If this tutorial was helpful, visit our website and dive deeper into the app's opportunities. See you there!